Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So, about last week, we did analysis on this our S&P 500, telling that we would have a bearish move, right? And we actually got that movement. So, to predict, before we predict this move, if you have not subscribed, make sure you please click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, also make your comments or watch out for it. Above all, make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed. So, in order to be able to predict this movement for this week, I want us to actually start from the higher time frame. We would analyze it downward to the lower time frame, and from the higher time frame, we will be able to understand why we are making such move. Now, this is the monthly time frame, right? We clearly can see that. Let's start it with our from the moment of 2018, right? If you take a look at this 2018, right, since 2018 till let's say late 2021 or early 2022, we'll be having one movement which is an uptrend move, which is a bullish move. You can clearly see the trend is an uptrend move, right? And higher highs and an higher lows have been playing out, right? Now you can take a look at this moving average I have added, which is 10 period moving average that we guide us. We all know that once this price is trading above our 10 period moving average, once this price is above the moving average, then there's only one movement we all should look watch out for, which is to actually go long, right? We should go bullish. That is what we should all should watch out for on our S&P 500. So that is what we've got in S&P have been giving us a bullish move. Now you will see that as later this early 2022, will I say early this year, right? Price have now been price have now changed direction of its movement. You can now see that we are now on a bearish move, right? We clearly can now see a lower lows and a lower highs, right? We can also see that this price is trading below our 10 period moving average. Now, previously, price was trading above the moving average, but as at now, we are trading below this moving average. So clearly, we know that that is a sell movement. All we all should watch out for is a sell. So take a look at this movement as a drop, and we will take this to be a pullback. Now, a new lows, right? And yet, we would consider it to be a pullback, right? A new lows. You can see this new lows that broke this previous lows on S&P, and now this will be considered to be a pullback. Now that this pullback is over, and we are now making a new lows. That is to tell you that this new lows, we need to break this previous lows. So a new lows needs to be formed that will break below this previous lows. So I mean, we are in the month of December, right? This is the month of December. Right, this we are having a bearish move. Though the month have not ended, that is to tell you that this movement for December, or this bearish move for this December, is not yet over. So more bearish move is to be made. So within December, January, February, right? We should continue to get that bearish move. At least we want to see that bearish move till it breaks before below this previous high. So a new lows. So this new bearish move needs to be made that we break this previous low. So a new lows needs to be made. So more and more bearish move is to come. So if you're a long trader, a long-term trader, position trader, right? I think this is an opportunity to consider selling on S&P. That is it. You can see it is still trading below our 10 period moving average. So simple as that. This is still a bearish move, and we should go ahead and sell. Now let's see what this weekly time frame says. So once again, we want to know the trend for this weekly time frame. We clearly can see that this is a bearish move. So about 3 weeks ago on S&P, we actually opened and closed bearish, right? Price opens and closed bearish. 2 weeks ago, we also had a similar movement. Price actually opened and closed bearish. But first of all, it actually went up, which spiked up. This is one of the reasons why we're having this huge candlestick week here. So the price dropped, it closed, open and closed bearish. Now this week that has just finished, right? You can see that price also gave us a bearish move. Though we even made, we dropped more than that, then price kind of is giving us a pullback, which is more visible on the daily time frame. This daily time frame, you will see the pullback which is more visible, but on the weekly time frame you are seeing a candlestick wick sticking out. So that is still to tell you that S&P 500, we are still on a bearish move. So more and more drops needs to be made. One, we need to make a drop to take out these lows. Then another, maybe a pullback can be made there. Who knows? then another drop will be made that will take out this level here. So this level needs to be taken out. Then after this level has been taken out on S&P, then this level here will be the next level to be taken out. So above all, S&P 500, we are on a bearish move. Now you can see that this week that just finished, S&P gave us a bearish move. We open and close bearish. Now this week that we are trying to predict for, guys, we would also expect S&P 500 to open and close bearish. So more bearish move is to be made. So we need more bearish move on S&P. So above all, this week that I'm predicting for, we should expect it to go bearish. We can also see it is below our moving average. We can see similar movement on our monthly time frame. Price is below our 10-period moving average. If you go down to your weekly time frame, same thing. Price is also below our 10-period moving average. So, those who trade with the moving average, once the price is below it, then this is an opportunity to sell. Now that should take us to the daily time frame. So we clearly can see what movement that we are making, right? Bearish move. Lower lows and the lower highs is being made on our S&P. So we will take a look at this to be a lows, and we will see this to be a pullback, a lows, right, that broke this previous lows, and here comes a pullback, and now we are making a new lows. Even these lows have even broken below this previous lows. You can see this huge candlestick wick here. You can see that huge drop that broke this previous lows. So it's not of a surprise that we kind of have it green here, which you can consider as a pullback if you want. And maybe on Monday, once the market opens on Monday, we should expect a drop. And if we don't get that drop on Monday, then definitely on Tuesday we will get that drop. So Monday, Tuesday, we expect a continuous bearish move on this S&P 500. It just depends on when the price will start dropping. We can also see it also on the daily time frame. Price is also trading below our 10 period. Notice monthly time frame, we are below the moving average. Weekly time frame, we are below the moving average, and now this is the daily time frame, and we are below this 10 period moving average. So that is to tell you that more drop is to be made. So first level we would want to target on S&P 500 is 3730. So currently the market is about to close. We have about 2 hours for the market to close, right, on this S&P. So as at now, this price, my mark, and this the level is at 3828. By the time this market will close, it should have moved further than it should have moved further than is that it should have dropped lower or moved on above. But as at now that I'm doing this analysis, I'm doing it very early. So above all, we are see at level of 3800 plus. So we would want to see it to drop to a level of 3730. So that is what I'll be watching out for this week on S&P. Once my price can hit a level of 3730, then I should expect a pullback that would be made on S&P. After the pullback, I would now expect another drop again on S&P, and this level I'll be watching out for is about 3580. So first of all, a level of 3730, a pullback will be made, then another drop to a level of let's say level of 3500. So above all, S&P 500, we are still bearish. Now, last one, we would want to take a look at the 4-hour time frame, because we would want to place this trade on our 4-hour time frame. So what we clearly can see on the 4-hour time frame is a bearish move. You clearly can see lower lows and lower highs. Notice that we would want to sell on the S&P 500. We would want to short, and now this 4-hour time frame is also giving us that sell movement. It is shorting. So I think this is an opportunity to go ahead, to go ahead and sell. So maybe let's start it from here for quick analysis. So quick. And this is a drop, a pullback. You can see this as a drop, now a pullback, right? So this is a drop that broke this previous lows, and now we'll take a look at this to be a pullback. After this pullback, what do we expect? We are expecting to drop. So this is one of the reasons why I said on Monday we should be expecting a drop, and if not on Tuesday, so Monday, Tuesday, we can go ahead to sell. So if you want to go ahead and sell on Monday, by the time markets opens, then it is still fine. Above all, S&P 500 is still on a bearish move. We can also see it still below our moving average, still trading below our moving average. So above all, S&P 500 for the week would be bearish.